Hello guys, so we are back again with another question. This is question number 3, previous year question of GATE of chapter Signal and System. If you have not watched my previous video, where I have discussed question number 1 and question number 2 of previous year question of GATE, then please refer my previous video for more clear understanding. This is a series of signal and system previous year GATE question. If you like the content, please do share with your friend and do subscribe. Let's get started. What is given in the question? We have to find the RMS value of the waveform. This is the graph we have given, which is ST versus time graph we have given. We have to find RMS value. This question asked in 1995 by IIT Kanpur. In this series, we are going to discuss from 1992 to 2022. Understand? Let's get started. First of all, let me define the signal ST. First of all, I will define ST. It will be from the first of all we have to understand. Let me first recall the formula of what RMS value. Then we are proceeding further. We know, first of all, we know what is average power. We know average power will be RMS value square. This formula you have studied. So if you have to find RMS value, what we have to do? We have to take square root of average power. Understood? We have to take square root of average power. This is the RMS value. Understood? यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर हुआ क्या? RMS वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? एवरेज पावर है तो उसका रूट ले लेंगे, वो RMS वैल्यू हो जाएगा. ठीक है, यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है. अभी इसी टाइम हम लोग एवरेज पावर का फॉर्मूला देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, एवरेज पावर क्या होता है? एवरेज पावर होता है 1 upon T नॉट. अंडरस्टैंड? इंटीग्रेशन T नॉट x t square dt. Understood? This is the average power formula for fundamental time period, where T node, here T node is fundamental time period. Understood this? T node is known as fundamental time period. We have to integrate this, the given function, over one fundamental time period. This can be written as 1 by T node. Understood? Integration over one fundamental time period. In place of xt, we have to replace with st. Understood? In place of xt, we have to replace st square dt. Understood? This formula we are going to use. Which formula? This formula I am going to use. This formula. Focus on this formula. This formula is going to use to solve average power. Understood? Let's get started. We can write average power. Average power will be here. First of all, let me define fundamental time period. This will be fundamental time period. Fundamental time period T node. T node will be equals to T. Understood? Fundamental time period will be equals to T. After this cycle, every cycle is repeated, so we are considering this cycle, which I have marked. It can be written as 1 by T node. Understood? We have to integrate over one fundamental time period. First of all, we have to integrate from 0 to T by 2 st square dt. From another cycle will be T by 2 to capital T st square dt. Why I have used this formula? We have used this formula only. We have separate because there are two cycles. One is 0 to T by 2 and another is T by 2. Understood? Let me write the equation of st from 0 to T by 2. From 0 to T by 2, we have to write st equation. What is st equation? We have to find. This will be straight line passing through origin. Its coordinate will be, first coordinate will be 0 0 and second coordinate this, I am marking this, it will be t by 2 comma a. This coordinate will be t by 2 comma a. This is, we have find 2 point. How to write equation by using 2 point? It will be y minus 0 x minus 0, it will be a minus 0 divided by t by 2 minus 0. Understood? It will be y by x equals to 2a by t. Understood? In place of y we have st. In place of y we have st. Understood? In place of x axis we have time. Understood? It will be 2a by t. All of you have understood this, how I writing the equation. Then st will be 2a by capital T multiply with small t. It will be from 0 to capital T by 2. Understood? And another we have to write from t by 2 t. We have to write equation from t by 2 to t. Focus on the graph from t by 2 to t. The equation of st will be, the equation will be this. This will be minus a. Understood? It will be st equals to minus a from t by 2 t. Focus on this formula. Now we are going to put the value of st in this formula. Understood? Now we are going to put this value of st in this formula. Let me put the value of st. It will be average power will be equals to 1 by t naught. In t naught will be equals to t, because we have find the fundamental time period. We have to integrate from 0 to t by 2. In place of st we have to put 2a by capital T multiply with t whole square with dt. Understood? And another will be t by 2 to capital T st square, it will be minus a square dt. Bracket will be closed. Understood? How I am going to simplify? We have to write average power. Average power will be equals to 1 by t in bracket 0 to capital T by 2 a square t square small t square dt. Now we are opening the bracket, and here it will be t by 2 to capital T a square dt. Understood this formula? Now it will be 1 by t, because here it will be capital A square and capital T square will be constant. We can take it out of the integration. It will be 2a square by t square integration from 0 to capital T by 2 t square dt, and another will be integration from t by 2 to capital T. We can take it out here, a square dt. Now we are getting 1 by t bracket capital 2a square by t square integration t square will be t cube by 3. We have to put the value. Lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be t by 2, and here it will be a square integration of dt will be t. We have to now put the value of lower limit will be here t by 2, and upper limit will be t by 2 and upper limit will be capital T. Now we have to put the value. It will be 1 by capital T 2a square t square. Now if you have put, now we can take 1 by 3 out of the constant, because it is constant. Now we are going to put the value. It will be capital T cube by 8 minus 0. Understood? And it will be a square capital T minus small t by 2. Understood? All of you have understood? Here we have put the value, lower limit and upper limit, and bracket will be closed. And now we have to simplify. 2a square by capital T square multiply with t cube by 24. Understood? What we have done here, we have just simplify further. Let me check I have done something wrong. It will be focus on this here. Focus on here. I have done something wrong. Here 2 square will be 4. Here it will be 4. I have to replace it with 4. Here there will be some error. It will be 4. Understood this part? So here it will be 4. I am highlighting where I have done wrong, and here it also be 4. Understood? Here it will be 4. Now I am going to erase where will be 2. I have to replace with 4. 4 a square by t square. Understood? And here in place of 2, where I have done mistake, I am going to highlight, then I am going to correct it. Understood? Where all of you have understood where I have done mistake. Here it will be 4. In place of 2, I have to replace with 4. Here it will be 4 a square by t square. Understood? And here also it will be, and here it will be 4. Understood all of you? Here it will be 4 a square t cube by 24. Understood? And here it will be a, it will be 2t minus t will be t by 2. Understood? And bracket will be closed. Now we have to further simplify. For after further simplifying, we are getting t square will be cancel out t square, and 4 will be cancel out. Now we are getting a square t by 6, and here it will be a square t by 2. Understood all of you? Now we are taking a square t common. It will be 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Here it will be t will be cancelled out from numerator and denominator. We are getting a square. Now we have to simplify. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 divided by 12. Now we have to simplify. It will be a square 2 by 3. We are getting average power will be equals to 2a square by 3. Understood all of you? Now we know RMS value. RMS value will be equals to under root of average power. RMS value will be equals to under root of average power. It will be equals to, now we have to put average power. It will be equals to 2a square by 3. We can take it, a square will be, but now we are getting a under root of 2 by 3. We are getting RMS value. RMS value will be equals to under root of 2 by 3a. Let me check which option is matched with the given. So let me highlight. This is our answer. This is our answer. Now let me check which option is matching. Option Bombay. Option Bombay is the correct answer. All of you have understood how I solve this question. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will end this lecture here. Please do share with your friend and do subscribe for more interesting content. Thank you.